Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Today I'm going to talk to you about best strategies owed for back taxes. I worked at IRS for a long time. I've been doing this for actually 5 decades. And I have a whole team of former IRS agents. We all work together, and I've been on the news many times. You can look me up and all that stuff at 777irs.com. I don't like to speak about myself that much because you need information. The best strategy owed for back taxes is simply knowing the system. Most people have no idea what the system is, and that's what I'm here to talk to you today about. As a former revenue officer, I worked in this system. I worked the offer and compromise program. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. I know everything about it. My team has about 250 years of direct IRS work experience in negotiations and settlements. So let me tell you what the best strategy is. It's knowing the systems. What is IRS in fact going to do? IRS is going to take a current financial statement on you. If the case is at the service center, you can download the form 433F. That's the financial statement they're going to look for. If it's in a local office, they'll ask for a 433A or a 433B business financial statement. And from there, they're going to make a determination. So the strategy is knowing what is IRS going to do with that financial statement. First of all, they're going to want to make sure all returns are filed. You're current on your federal tax deposits, your estimate payments, or your withholding. The next thing they're going to want to do is they're going to want to make sure is the business living up to the expenses they need to have to produce the income. And if you owe personal taxes, you need to know you have a national standard that IRS is going to allow you. That's the big aha. If you owe personal taxes, you better look up the IRS national standards for food and clothing, IRS national standards for housing and utilities, IRS national standards for car payments, IRS national standards for car expenses. These are the expenses that IRS is going to lock you into. If you do not know how IRS is going to look at your financial statement, how they're going to judge you, you have no strategy whatsoever. IRS must use the same strategy on everyone. So they give everyone the financial statement and they use the same standards. If it's a personal financial statement, they use the national standards. If it's a business statement, they got to look like their best experience and what makes sense. Is it, for instance, in a business, are you paying bills out of your business? Anyway, if you owe IRS debt, you're really, and it's a little amount of money, you can represent yourself. You're probably not going to have much of a problem. But if you owe sizable debt of over $50,000, IRS is going to be digging into your financial statement a lot more, and they're going to be looking at your expenses a lot more. And that's usually where you have to have someone stand in between you and the IRS. Once again, make sure all your tax returns are filed. If you need me, please go ahead and call me. You speak directly to me, and give me a subscription if you would. That's really big. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.